Well, happy Tuesday to you and welcome back to the Morning Blend. We have a jam-packed show ready for you today, starting with some back-to-school tips from lifestyle expert Maggie Jackson. Hey, Maggie.
Thank you. I am delighted to be here. Yes, as you just mentioned, we are back to school and I have some great products that will make this busy time of year easier for the entire family. So first up, I have diaper wipes. Throw these into your kids' backpack so that they can easily wipe their hands, clean their hands, sanitize surfaces on the go. What I love about diaper wipes is that they are made with 95% plant-based materials. They are hypoallergenic. They are unscented and made up of 99% water. So these wipes are perfect for children with sensitive skin. I also love that this brand is a certified B Corporation, which means they meet the highest standards of social and environmental responsibility. All of their products are plant-based, they're absorbent, they are soft, while being a leader in the industry in transparency and independent testing. Dyper also has an amazing program called Dyper, where they help you compost your diapers and your wipes. So this keeps diapers and wipes out of landfills. This is a brand that is doing some phenomenal things. You can get a single pack of diaper wipes for $6, or you can get a pack of 18 for $108 at Dyper.com. This season's fashion must-have and one sneakers are the perfect shoe for back to school. I love the women's low top basketball sneaker because it is stylish, it is comfortable, it is durable. You'll spend the entire season in style. I personally love to wear this sneaker with one of my favorite athleisure sets. I also love the dress and sneaker trend. This is a great option for women. Next, for the little girls and big girls, the And One basketball sneaker is the perfect companion to keep your superstar in style on the court and off the court. So the women's sneaker is $22.98 and the little girl sneaker is $21.98. You can find these sneakers at Walmart.com or in Walmart stores. These are not only healthy, they are super delicious. Canyon Bakehouse Gluten-Free, which many people know this brand for their delicious rolls, breads, buns, and now they have these delicious, light, fluffy pull-apart rolls. And they come in two flavors. They have the brioche-style sweet rolls and the brand new Hawaiian sweet rolls that just launched this month. So you can use these really for everything. You can have cute little egg sandwiches in the morning. You can pack small sandwiches in your children's lunchbox, toast them up for a quick snack, or put them on your plate for a dinner roll. And you know, I have such picky eaters at home that they will always eat this if it's on their plate at dinner time. And of course, all of Canyon Bakehouse breads are gluten-free, and they're also free of all the top allergens like soy, dairy, tree nuts, and sesame seeds. You can get Canyon Bakehouse pull-apart rolls for $7.99 at Sprouts. And Brainiac Brain Squeezers, it is not your ordinary snack. They are made with delicious real fruit applesauce pouches packed with nutrients that are good for your kid's brain and for their immunity. So these pouches are made with 160 milligrams of omega-3s, DHA, and EPA, 120 milligrams of choline, and 25 milligrams of vitamin C. So these are perfect for your brain and eye health. And to give you an idea of just what's in these pouches, they have as much omega-3s as a 2-ounce portion of salmon and as much choline as an entire cup of broccoli. So these are amazing for your children's nutrition. And it's only made with the good stuff. There's no added sugar, no artificial flavors, no GMOs. It's only the good stuff. You can get a 10-pack for $6.98 or a 20-pack for $12.98 at Walmart stores, Walmart.com, BrainiacFood.com, or Thrive Market. You have really got to get your hands on all of these products to have a great back to school season.